Hey guys, how's it going? KW from KW Hotels. We're here in Clearwater Beach, Florida at the Hilton Resort and Spa. This is a room, 2 double beds, and this is a harbor view. Security good. For your room key, they do give you this little wristband for your room key and 2 other regular key cards. Okay, we got our closet. Okay. Closets. This is older building. The room is small. Whatever. Yes, scuffs all down here. And by the way, I paid $56, taxes, no resort fees, because of my Hilton team member rate. Rack rate, if you guys were to stay here, it price varies, but it was $470 after resort fee, after a $35 resort fee and taxes. So keep that in mind. This is a $470 room. I don't think it's really worth it. I'll show you why. Got some cosmetic maintenance issues, but the room is clean. Got the toilet, give her a flush. All looks good. Got our sink right here. Good water pressure. Right here on the side mounted. Weird, but okay. Bath products. Got a pocket door. That's nice little force of close there. No lock. Got a nice tiled shower here. Very good. Coffin could be a little touched up. Nothing too big of a deal or anything. Got a nice shower head. Nice fixtures. So here's another plan of the bathroom. Okay. Forgot to show you guys this. This is got this little hole and some drywall coming off. $470 a night room. Like, I'm not personally complaining because I paid $56, but this is, I do these videos for, so you guys know what you guys are getting yourself into if you're paying like these hundreds of dollars for these rooms. So, pointing it out. Like the backlit mirror. Okay. Yeah. Now it's very possible that I got a more worn down room because of my rate. Possible. This was the second expensive room that they had on property. The first room we had was a limited view, no balcony, just a window. Probably looks at nothing from the sounds of it. Then we have and we got a city view room, which I guess maybe it counts a partial view, maybe. Don't know, only on the side of the building. Directly looking right at other buildings, and the ocean's right on the side. Don't know. Then you got the golf view, which is the oceanfront room. And then we got the harbor view room that I'm in right now. This was the most expensive room rack rate that I could book. So, see if road noise is the issue. The home team in Tampa I just came from today, road noise was the issue. That video should be up before this, so go check it out. Home to downtown town district I just came from. Check out that vid. AC, got our chiller system, all on the wall. Bunch of outlets to USBs. Here's the address if you want to stay at this hotel. We got 2 double beds. Oh yeah, man, that's another memory foam type deal mattress, kind of like the one we had at the Hilton Fort Lauderdale Marina. Give this a peel. Looks good, I'm not gonna go too deep in these beds. If there's anything to report when I go to bed later, I'll let you all know. You know how it is. Nice size Samsung TV, we're thinking 50-inch. So here is what our the resort fee covers. I'm not gonna read all that, but if you want to read it, pause to read. So that's what the resort fee covers. Just got a nice, desk chair. Gotta lay some coffee. No mini fridge or microwave in this room that I've seen. Well, no, I stand corrected. There is a mini fridge in this room. Just no microwave. Clean, nice and cold. Like I said, everything's clean, just a little bad on the walls for what they're charging, rack rate. See what I'm trying to get at? Lamp or HVAC system. This little latch lock thing's missing. No smoking on patio, don't feed the birds. See this sucker locks. See, this lock work. If this lock does work. Chipped. Here's our balcony, nice 2 furniture chairs right here. Nice size balcony. Here, this is considered a harbor view. Don't know what the city view would be. I don't know if it considered like the rooms facing that way would be a city view, maybe. Don't know. Do not know. So, in summary of this place, you could use a reno. The lobby and stuff is nice. Sometimes if you're a Hilton employee, they give you 50% off at the restaurant at the lobby, so that's cool. Staff has been amazing. Got some maintenance stuff for what that really can't be excused for what the rack rate is. Like, shouldn't be. If I paid $470, I wouldn't be happy with this. But again, I'm not complaining since I only paid $56 on team member rate. I'm just showing you guys that don't have that discount that I have. So I'm personally not complaining. I'm just showing you guys if you were to go pay that 400 and something bucks. Before someone complaining in the comments, I'm complaining that it's not the case. Just pointing stuff out to you guys that's going to be paying the full rate. And by the way, the date of I am recording this, give you an idea what the rates are. It is April 20. It is April. Give me a second. It is Sunday, April 27th, 2025. As I'm recording this. So, yeah. So, if you like what you see, and again, I'm not bashing this place. Everybody keep that in mind. So, if you like what you see, please like, share, subscribe, and KW out.